watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello crafty friends, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have a new mystery box! And not only do we have a new mystery box, but we have a new cutie in this box! So this is Cricut's Regal Radiance mystery box. And you guys want to see what the new cutie color is? I'm going to show it to you first because these boxes sell out super duper duper fast, especially when we have a new cutie. So let's get to the new cutie first. Are you ready for the new cutie color? The new cutie color is Beet. He's super cute. He is a perfect, like this is a perfect fall color too. He reminds me a lot of like mauve, but with a little deeper. I feel like mauve is usually a softer color, but this is like a deeper color. All right, now let's see what else is in the box. So we are getting some of the beautiful raspberry. This is everyday iron-on, and you're gonna get 12 by 24 inches of this beautiful raspberry color. And we are getting some permanent glossy premium vinyl, and this is in bracken, which is brown. It's a shade of brown. Like really reminds me of like milk chocolate actually. And it's permanent too, so great for outdoor stuff too, and it's nice and waterproof. You can make car decals with this also. And we are going to get some foil iron-on, and this is black foil iron-on. You're going to get 12 by 24 inches of this. This is great to put on. You can iron this onto like tote bags or shirts or pillowcases. Make some Halloween ones and have the foil iron-on. Ooh, and we got some shine. This is premium vinyl textured metallic, and this is in platinum color. So even though it looks silver in the camera, it's more gold. Let's see. It still looks silver over here, and it is called platinum. But it's definitely more gold than silver. This stuff looks really pretty. And it is permanent also, and it looks really pretty. It adds a really classy look to things. And we're getting some more Cricut permanent premium vinyl glossy medium yellow. There's always a tongue twister. Which is 12 by 48 inches of this. And something you can always use to make a gift for somebody, especially with the holidays coming up. A blank ball cap. So this is Cricut's blank ball cap, so you can go ahead and use iron on it, but it's also compatible with infusible ink. So you can use infusible ink on it too. So you can go ahead and make that for somebody or yourself. And we are getting a pack of Cricut Joy foil transfer insert cards, and this is a celebration sampler, and it's the A6 size. So the cards are going to be 4.5 by 6.25, and these are Cricut Joy, so they do work with the Cricut Joy mat. However, you can still use all of the card blanks, and in this you will get everything to make 8 cards. So you will get cards, inserts, and envelopes. So you're getting 4 of the red, 4 of the blue cards. And then for inserts, you have 4 yellow, and then, which these look brighter yellow, these are more like a mustard yellow. And then you're getting 4 of my unicorn. 4 of the holographic stuff unicorns are made out of. You're getting 4 of these holographic cards too, which will look so pretty and shiny, shining through. Especially think Christmas. We have the red cards, the blue cards. The blue with the silver looks really like wintry and pretty, and then red with the silver also. So great for holiday cards. And then you're also going to get the 8 foil transfer sheets. So in here, you're going to have 4 of the silver and then 4 of the gold. And then also included is the pack are the stickers that you use to tape down the foil when you do the foiling. But for the foiling, you will need a foil transfer kit, which you can either get that for the Joy or you can get that for the other machines also. And then last but not least, and this is something everybody always asks for in mystery boxes, so people will be happy with this, you can always use black Cricut cardstock. And with this, you're going to get 20 of the 12 by 12 sheets, which this cardstock is 80-pound cardstock, solid core, excellent to work with. Cricut cardstock is by far my best. And it's created with the Cricut cutting machines in mind, so it cuts great. And the settings are just perfect when you're using the Cricut cardstock. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Regal Radiance mystery box. And because we got our Beet Cutie, it is access members only. but there are links below to go ahead and join Access if you're not, and then you can purchase the box right away. And there's also links to purchase the box because all of our cutie collectors know, especially new cuties, they sell out super, super fast. The box could last 20 minutes, it could last an hour, it could last one day, but with new cuties, that's super, super, super rare. So go ahead over. We really greatly appreciate when you use our links. And remember, no coupon codes will work on mystery boxes. And if you don't want to miss out on a mystery box in the future, make sure you subscribe to us, hit the little bell, wherever it may be, and then you will get notifications whenever we have a video come out. So whenever there's mystery box reveals, you can go ahead and see it here first. That way you can see what all you're getting in the box too before you order it. Huge shout out to all of our Patreon members. Our Patreon members get over 1,000 of our designs ready to make, starting at just $2 a month. And we create them in Design Space too. So it's nothing you have to go in and export files into. You get the link right to our projects. Not only that, but you get our link to our 24/7 Melody Lane crafting Zoom, which we have crafty friends from all over the world in that we go in and they go ahead and craft together, hang out together. We do murder mysteries in there. We have special guests, special speakers come in that are really exciting. And we go ahead and have get-togethers too. So we had our first annual one last year, so we're gonna do another Melody Lane inspired crafting Zoom where we had members come from as far as Germany to come to it. And it was so much fun. And here's a look at two of the projects that's available to our Patreon supporters that we made recently on live. So I made the skeleton. So I made this cute skeleton here. I actually stenciled him. So I cut a stencil with Cricut's stencil film and then put it over Cricut cardstock and then used a textured snow paste. Then I actually went over it with glow in the dark. And then so the mummy actually glows in the dark. Just like, here's what he looks like when he's glowing. Isn't that awesome? But how fun is that? He's so cute. So cute. And then the inside there. But that's one. I really like this. This is called a flip-flop fancy fold. But I went ahead and made this one here. All this stuff within Design Space. We did print and cut for the edges here. And then I used the new Cricut Value cardstock, which is the smooth cardstock. And it foils so good on it. So good. This is some old Cricut paper here, the shimmer paper. Wish you had it, Cricut. We love this stuff. It's so pretty. Isn't that fun? And then you just set it up and it's cute. But those are just a couple of projects. And like I said, there's over 1,000 projects. Oh, and the price of the box. I almost always forget that. The price of the box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian. So thank you guys for joining us. We greatly appreciate it. We hope you guys all have a craftastic week. Shout out to our Patreon supporters and our admins. You guys, if you've been with us, you know our admin team and they rock. And until next time, friends, happy crafting. And don't forget, they sell out quick, so hit the links below. Bye.